those off because I'm going to be talking about those in a little bit. It's hot. It is freaking hot in New York. For all my New Yorkers that are subscribed to the channel, it is just so hot and like humid, literally no air. It's global warming thing is serious. I've been sick for a couple days. I don't know if you guys can still hear that I'm a little bit congested, but I am fine, I am good. Going to jump into this video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ariel. I do men's luxury, fashion, lifestyle content, fun content, stuff like this. So if you guys stumbled upon my channel, welcome. My name is Ariel again, just to state it for the second time. And yeah, just jump along for the ride. I do cool style vlogs, I do reviews, take you guys on my vlog. Today, what I figured would be an awesome vlog, since I am going to start taking you guys my pickups that I'm gonna be doing in the next couple of weeks, just kind of gearing up for fall and winter. Definitely have to start picking up some new pieces to share with you guys and to show you guys while I start, you know, just doing my picks and my buys for the upcoming season. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot of new pieces as we start approaching the September, October, November month. But I figured a great vlog to do to just kind of like recap some of the most essential classics in my wardrobe was to do a vlog dedicated just solely to the best of the best and my favorite classics that you should have. I'm going to show you guys some of the pieces that I have, just key items, worth the money, worth the investment. Some of the pieces you guys have seen before. If you guys are new, some of these are going to be new for you guys, or maybe you've stumbled upon them on a website while shopping, browsing, maybe you've seen them in store, and you'll better understand why I love them, why I feel like they're definitely needed in everybody's wardrobe. So let's jump into that now. I always forget to do the fit of the day. I don't know why I'm always forgetting. So today's fit of the day, I'm wearing a gray Save Khaki United t-shirt. I did have on my Saint Laurent 2012 or 2013 light blue denim shirt. I'll probably throw that on also so I can show you guys the variation of fit. But right now, since I wanted to be a little bit more comfortable, and it is again super hot, wearing a Save Khaki gray t-shirt, wearing Saint Laurent white DO2 skinny jeans. Love these. Then I'm also wearing my Saint Laurent Luka boots. You guys know I love these so much. Just such a clean boot. Definitely a classic, definitely an essential, but we will get into that as I go down the footwear portion of this video. Throw the denim shirt on so that you guys can see the fit and how it looks, and then I'll also show you the sunglasses that I took off at the beginning so you could see the full fit. So, bloop, bam. This is the original fit that I had on. I had my Saint Laurent denim shirt. This is the light blue version from 2013, 2012 for all the OG heads. This is one of the denim shirts that launched. I had it paired with, again, Saint Laurent white DO2s, and then the Anthony Vaccarello Saint Laurent Luka boots. And then my Tom Ford Neughman sunglasses that I love. And I'm debating if I want to get them in the black and purple. It's like purple blue. I'll insert a picture on the side for you guys so you guys can see which one I'm talking about, but keep debating them. So I'll link them below so it's easier for you guys to find them. But yeah, I might actually pick them up in the other colorway. So that was the original fit, but again, to just keep stating, it's just been crazy hot. And let me just turn this camera on. I was out running some errands. I came back and just the humidity, like literally no air. I had to swap out, and since I was doing computer work, I didn't want to be so like restricted and burn up, so I had to swap out the SLP for the Save Khaki and just be a little bit more comfortable. So let's get into these classics. I'm gonna kind of base this mainly into fall classic pieces. They all are gonna be classic essential pieces that I feel you should have in your wardrobe, and I'm going to show you the versions that I have picked up over the years and some of the pieces that are more recent. But I'm going to try to aim this a little bit more towards fall winter, since that is what we're going into, and that's what I'm looking most forward to, since again it has been brutally hot. So let's jump into one of the first pieces now. Alright, so first main thing we're gonna do is start with accessories. So sunglasses are a key component to the outfit. It's like literally like the cherry on top after the whole outfit is complete. Sunglasses add that little extra oomph to an outfit. It could honestly make or break it. There's been times when I'll try on a pair and I'm like, oh wait, nah, this isn't the vibe for the outfit. Certain select pairs I feel are just essential. The styles that I feel are most essential are a classic wafer or an aviator. More so an aviator just because I feel like it has so much attitude to the frame itself, class. It's just like, it's just fun. Instantly when I throw the Tom Fords on, this adds attitude, it just adds character, adds all these different components, all these different elements to my look. Instant casual Tom Fords on, you know? It's just adding that little cherry on top that you need for the outfit. Slight, effortless oomph. So today I'm wearing my Tom Ford Neughman sunglasses again. If you guys have been following for a while, you know that I picked them up a couple of months ago. Almost dropped them. These are the black with the amber colored tint, almost like an orange gradient. So it's clear towards the bottom, but if you can see from the top, it goes from like an orangish brown down to a clear, which is really, really cool. Very vintage, but still very modern shape. Really hit it on the head with this pair, so I wear these with a lot of my outfits. It's just, again, something that really, really takes the outfit to a whole different level. If you want something a little bit more dramatic, definitely the Neughman. Also opt for like a classic Ray-Ban aviator. You can opt for Saint Laurent aviator. I have a couple, but at the current, these are my favorites. So this is gonna be first on my list of classic pieces. Before we move off of the sunglass portion, it's just the classic Ray-Ban gold with the greenish tint. If you guys can see that it's like a green. It's very dark. Another favorite of mine, they're a little bit smaller in comparison to the Tom Ford, as you guys can see, and a lot less dramatic. Still adds a lot of attitude to your outfit instantly, as you can see. Classic sunglasses, so absolutely love these as well. So I just wanted to show you guys two different variations of classic frames that you know, come in different shapes and sizes. So Ray-Ban aviators, classic, and Tom Ford Neughman. So I'll link both in the description box for you guys so it's easier to find. The next piece, a lot of you guys pretty much know me for. To this day, I honestly, the only other jacket that I'm going to show you in comparison to this one is the Celine classic biker in the calfskin. Fit of that one is also excellent, but till this day, there is no other leather biker jacket that I feel fits the best, looks the best, and honestly is just the coolest one to look at. And you guys know it is the Saint Laurent L17. I wouldn't wear this today or on a day that's like crazy hot, maybe at nighttime when it's a little bit breezier. A classic leather jacket that's perfectly fitted is such a classic piece in your wardrobe, such an essential. If you're gonna go and spend money on a biker jacket, it doesn't really matter what you spend on it, as long as it fits right and the quality of the leather is pretty good. But down the road, if you wanna really invest in a piece and just have one that's gonna really be the one, really take it over the top, it's gonna be the Saint Laurent L17. Literally since the first day I bought it, 2014, that's when I got my first one. And I say first one because when I did that old video way back when, that one was a bigger size. I ended up selling it when I lost a lot of weight, and then I ended up rebuying it 2 sizes smaller, which is the one that I currently have. And to this day, years 2021, it's still, to me, the cream of the crop leather jackets. Can't get anything else that's better. Do probably want to add the Celine one just because I'm a Eddie Slimane diehard fan and I just want to have it in my collection at some point. But the L17 is just the cream of the crop and the top of the line for me. The whole fit of the jacket, how everything's aligned, zipper size, full strings in the back and the suede. I'll also do on-body video for you guys, so don't worry. So I'll probably roll them right after this or include it while I'm talking, just so you guys can see how everything fits and how it looks. If you guys are searching for the best leather jacket, definitely check my old vlog out from years back. Nothing has changed, still the best jacket. YSL L17 leather jacket. Like a majority of the things on this list, I have an army of them. And I say that because when I really love something and when I know that something is classic and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, I tend to really invest in it. I dive into it, select the best ones across the board from different brands. Like, I really like invest my time into finding the best pieces that resonate with me the best and that honestly fit my whole persona, fit my whole lifestyle the best. Flannel Shirt, which is bringing me to the next piece that I feel is an essential classic piece that you need in your wardrobe, especially going into fall, especially going into winter. A few flannel shirts, just in a range of different colors, are essential. If you're not a person that likes to always have a jacket on, maybe wants to be in a hoodie, but you also get a little bit cold, Flannels are great because you could also layer them over a hoodie, you could layer them over a t-shirt during the fall when it's a little bit colder at night. You still want to look presentable, badass, and cool, but you don't really want to commit to a full jacket. It's super heavy while you're moving around, so why not have a couple of flannels that you could rotate, pair up with different colored boots. It's just easy and effortless. This one happens to be from Fall Winter 13 Saint Laurent. This is the runway version. I'll include the picture from the runway on the side as always for you guys for reference. This is one of my favorites just because it is slightly oversized, but it's still very fitted. When I run the clips of me styling it and wearing it with my fit, you guys are gonna see that it's a comfortable fit in the body, but it's still form-fitting, which is great. But a lot of flannel shirts, you're not gonna find a fitted sleeve, you're not gonna find a fitted body. A lot of the vintage ones are going to be on the boxier side. Some of them are just gonna be very oversized. When I look for mine, I like to really commit to certain brands that already have the desired fit that I want. Saint Laurent always does an excellent one. Other brands like APC always has some great selection, so also link certain pieces that I feel are great colorways that are in the current selection now. This one for Saint Laurent happens to be one of my favorites. I love the color red, as you guys know, so it's just a classic red tartan plaid flannel, so I'll style this one for you guys also. I believe Anthony Vaccarello put out a new rendition. I will link it for you guys also. Next essential classic item you need: perfectly fitted denim, and you also need perfectly distressed denim, as shown. You guys know that I swear by Saint Laurent denim. I love various different brands, Celine, APC, Acne Studios, the list can go on. I prefer my denim to be skinny, slim fit. I also have a few pairs from Denim Project by AR that happen to be custom flared denim, custom distressed denim. I think a good selection of denim in various different colors is not only essential, but it's just classic. As you stick to different shades that are classic shades: black, gray, charcoal, white. Right now I'm wearing the white Saint Laurent denim, DO2 fit, which is the skinny. As long as you stick to classic fits that work for you and that you're comfortable wearing, definitely have a couple of pairs on deck. Also have a couple of good pairs of distressed denim, like I keep stating. These happen to be one of my custom pairs that I did for myself from our brand, Denim Project by AR. I will link a couple of different variations in the description box for you guys so you guys can easily shop it. Boots. Can't have enough boots. I don't know how many pairs. To keep things sweet and simple, if you can grab yourself a nice pair of suede tan boots. This pair happens to be the Lukas model from Saint Laurent by Anthony Vaccarello. This is, to me, one of the cleanest silhouettes that they've put out in a really, really long time. They kind of remind me of Eddie's Santiago boot from Psych Rock. So definitely an amazing boot. The shape of this boot is really, really killer. It is a little bit narrow, but once you break it in, fits super, super perfect. I have this in the sand suede, and they pair up with pretty much everything perfectly. Over here, I have something a little bit more exotic. These are my Celine Cavalry boot, and these are in the black python, as you guys can see by the texture of the boot. If you guys are into something a little bit more exotic, a little bit more oomph, maybe try an exotic out like python, lizard skin. These again happen to be from Celine, so I will try to link something similar. I don't know if they still do the Cavalry model in the python because I know that these were kind of limited, but there are some python boots that Celine is still offering, so I'll link something similar for you guys. Just classic boots, black, tan, in whatever variation of exotic skin, black leather, all a great option for styling purposes, and it's just classic, not only for fall and winter, but also just pretty much year-round, as long as you're comfortable wearing them. Having a good little rotation of boots in any collection is key. I wanted to really base this on preparing for fall, preparing for winter time. A lot of the sales are happening now, which I think is prime time for any of you guys who are looking for pieces like this, are preparing your wardrobe for the upcoming months to definitely take advantage of. So I will link everything to sites that are doing promotions, that are doing sales, so that you guys can get the best price for pretty much all of the pieces or similar pieces that I have listed. The final piece that is key and essential going into fall, as far as classic staple pieces in my wardrobe go, are shearling jackets. You guys know I love a good shearling. I have showed you guys in previous vlogs my vintage shearling that I can reverse 2 different ways and wear it pretty much as a teddy coat on the outside where the shearling is shown out. I'll insert a picture on the side as always so you guys can see for reference which shearling I'm referring to. But I'm not going to show you my vintage shearling today. I'm going to show you my shearling Aviator jacket. It's cut slightly shorter in the body, which I absolutely love. It's something that has been in fashion before my lifetime. This one I'm going to show you today is my Balmain Aviator shearling. It's one of my favorites in my collection. It's beautiful, perfect body length. So when I do the styling clips, you guys will see how it fits. Comfortable, but still fitted. Has tons of different details on it. This is the jacket. I'll also insert a picture. This one happens to be from Olivier Rousteing's 2014 menswear collection. Older shearling, but it is such a beauty. It's such a classic piece. Like I stated, I have vintage ones and I have designer ones. Tend to just go based on the quality of the sheepskin. This one obviously is going to be amazing quality and just the fit. Also love the color of this one. It matches perfectly with everything. Just styled with a hoodie. I probably won't style it with a hoodie, or maybe I will, depending on how hot it is. I'll do it for you guys. I'll show you guys how it looks. The last key essential piece. I will link a similar one in the description box below for you guys, maybe from Balmain and a couple of other brands that I feel are pretty slick. I wanted to show you guys some of the details of the Balmain shearling. There's this belt on the collar, it's just so classic. I'm just gonna go out so you guys can see the full piece. Shearling is classic tan colorway. It's beautiful, teddy bear colored. Balmain tag right there. Took it in the size 52, so it's fitted, but it's still got a little bit of room. So if I do want to wear a hoodie, I can layer it under it for extremely cold days. That's what the back looks like. Just very classic, very clean. Fix the collar. Just pop that down like that. So it's just a very clean classic Aviator. Also has a few belts. It has one over here and then also a belt over here if I want to cinch it a little bit tighter. In typical Balmain fashion, it has the chunky Lampo zips throughout. So a couple on the sleeve, it has one here, has them at the pockets, both sides, two-way zip. So if you want to sit down and have it zipped up, you could also have the bottom open so it's a little bit more comfortable, and also obviously in the other sleeve. So a couple more in-depth detailed shots for you guys so you guys can see it clearly. Absolutely love this. So classic, so beautiful. So yeah, love this. All right guys, so that is going to conclude this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know any of your favorites from my current wardrobe classics. Is there anything that you really love? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome again. My name is Ariel. I do men's luxury lifestyle content. If you enjoy content like this, definitely crush that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all my weekly uploads. Always at least drop one video for you guys a week, and it's always amazing content. I will see you guys in the next vlog. I have tons and tons of great content planned for you guys, so can't wait to share it with you guys. See you guys in the next vlog.